Meep. Yeah, I am here. uh, just sat doing things. I wonder, is this? Mm-hmm. What am I doing? I don't know. Appear. Haha. I was meant to do something, but I kind of got distracted because I am speaking to people and sorting some stuff out. Am I? Am I? Oh, that's a Pleco. He's eating my rock. How dare you? So rude. Well, I guess it's not my rock, it's his rock. Alright, what am I doing? Oh dear. Yes, figuring out how to boop. Going into Unity. I want to set up a boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop the nose thing. On the warrior. And then eventually on other avatars as well. I need to learn how to do it. And it's just like, it should be easy. Honestly. Bam, bam, bam. Wait, oh wait, was there another thing I needed to fix? Or was it the fact that I wanted to Trying to think what I wanted to do with this this thing. The only thing I can think of really is I switch the shader. Right now, the current shader does not handle emissions very well. Doesn't have very many options. Oh look, I can have a single emissive, and I can animate it, which goes weird because I've set it up weirdly. Ooh, that's funny. Yeah, it goes. It's interesting. I might just use Poyomi, honestly. Is it? No, it's the Toon shade. That's the one. That's the shaders. Me. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Let me find out my Poyomi shader. In fact, actually, no. Let me just find out my Poyomi shader. Nope, not assets. Unity packages. Where are you? Hang on. No, let me check. What version is it on? I should say it should 9279 now. Yeah. You know what? I'll just screw it. I'll just add the free version. I don't care about the pro version, honestly. And you know what? I really should close Unity while I'm doing this. Because otherwise it's going to click to it's going to want to redo its freaking scripts compiling and all that constantly. Yeah, it's getting there. I need to update the SDK to 3.10. I can attempt to get the Quest version uploaded. It really depends. I don't know how much I want to do with this now. Immediately. I suppose if I get the boot done, that's enough. Get the Quest version uploaded, that's enough. Everything else, because anything else I want to do will involve going into Blender. Come on, come on, Unity. You can do it. I know I modified things while you were running, and you don't like that particularly. I suppose I can clean that up later. You know what? Okay. I'm gonna close this. Just briefly while I update the SDKs. There you go. Now I can open the project again. How does one do snoot boot? Bam, 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 bam. Right, here we are. First things first, let's go in here. Oyomi. Oyomi tune. Compile the shaders. Jesus. The one thing about Poyomi is it looks so weird when it's not set up. I have no normal maps for this character. It's kind of sad. Oh man, I wish I had normals. Could I generate them from my texture? There's a few tools that exist to do so. Oh wait! Aha! I know! Oh no, I do! I can make normals for this. I can do it. I can do it. I just need to open up thingy. I open canvas. Open canvas 7. Launch. I need the one. There's a layer in the project that I can use. Or if you just give it a black background. No, that's not the right one. That's not the right file. Hang on. I set Swaria. Oh wait, no, that's not where I want to be at. Oh, is it? There you go. Assets. Warrior. This is my file. What I can do is I can go and get rid of this, get rid of that, keep that. Oh, they all wait, hang on. Oh. Yeah. You know what? I might actually be able to use this. If I go save as PNG. See if I can get this to work. See. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, this could actually work very, very nicely. You know what? Yeah. I turn the ambient occlusion off. It won't let me. Ow. Oh, I'll download it anyway. How dare you? Find this. I want to see how well this looks. Shading, not flat. Usually do multi-layer math, don't we? Probably. Oh, look at this. I think my normals might be a bit too extreme. I don't know. I kind of like it like this, though. Heavily textured. Extreme normals. Look at it. My floof. I can always half the intensity. That didn't work. Oh no, that's put it up to 5. Alright, alright. Cool. Cool. So I can go back onto this website. What I'll do is I'll just bring the level down to 8. Actually, I think bring the no. Maybe I should no. I want to bring the level wants to be fully 10 because otherwise it's just gonna be. Let's put the strength down by like. Let's put the strength down to just 2. I should level out the things a bit more. I am textured. The problem with the receive shadow on Poyomi, it doesn't work in VR chat. It seems like it doesn't. Do I need? Maybe I'll just go realistic. Boom. Oh god, it's even worse on the. You want multi-layer math. Maybe that's why I never did it. Receive cast shadows as well. Hmm. Yeah, the intensity of my normals is kind of crazy. I don't think they need to be that high. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this back down to 0.1. Go with that. Kind of looks alright. And it's a really, really, really strange way of doing the normals, because it's not entirely accurate. Maybe I do want 1.2. 0.1. I think that might be it, actually. You just want it a little bit, just a little bit on the shadows. You don't want to go crazy. Yeah, that'll do. I get normals now. Cool. Right, right. And then I want special effects, emissions. There you go. And then we get a second emission. And what we'll do is this is a mapless emission with 0.1. Use base color. That lightens me. This wants to be switched back to this. And I think that'll do. For the Poyomi shader. For now. Locking the optimizer stuff. Hmm. I think the normals are okay. Say they were just very, very, very quickly made with what I can only describe as the thing that would have been the normals. That feels too low. This light is annoying me. There. You know what? That's fine, actually. That'll do. Do I want to faffle with the other These are just standard toon shaders, and honestly, they work just fine for the eyes. I don't need to freaking go crazy. Unless I wanted to glitter. Unless I wanted glitter for the eyes. Which I'm not too bothered about, honestly. Am I using ambient thingy? Their wings, that's why. It's the burb. Oh, my arms? Hang on. There they are. That's the only remnants of my hands. Inside the wing. Technically, this section and this section are my forearm and lower arm. Then I've got the hand. And then the rest of the wing is just exists. I have thumbs. They're just inside my wings. No, because I don't need multiple fixes. You know what? And there's things I need to do that are very important right now. Fizz bones. You know what? I need to go in here, 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 here. Right. In here, I need to add these bone glider. It will be a... You know what? I think actually, you know what? A plane might be better. Funnily enough. That's not what I want. Oh, wait, hang on. I know what I want. Collider. The head collider. Oh, the battery. Ah, your battery's packing it in, is it? See, this is cheat tactics. All right. what I need to do is I need to make sure that this collider is low enough that it doesn't immediately collide with this. No, wait. This is going. Bugger. I'm going to have to add a Fizzbone component now. Yeah, it's fine. I can do it. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Doesn't matter. Wing. Is this one? Yes, this is the one. Ah, dear. Let's increase this by to 4. And the transformations that I want to get rid of are... yeah. That one. And that one. This is specifically handling the ears. And what I want to do is I'll make a new VRC Fizzbone root. Ooh, what's that? This. Oh. I don't know. It's something fancy. VRC Fizzbone. The root transformation will be the head again. But we will ignore both the ears. We have 2 colliders. One is the floor collider. One is the head collider. This will stop those things going inside my head, which I find very annoying because they clip through my eyes and it looks weird. Yeah. Posing. False. Grabbable. True. Something's not right. Oh. Whoops. Wait, no. That's right, isn't it? Oh. Oops. Boo-boo. Wait. Must be 2. No, wait, that's right. And what the hell am I doing again? Oh, no. I see. I broke that. Where's my... There we go. I put them onto the wrong one. Oh, that's why this is like this. Okay. That makes sense. There, that wants to go there. And that wants to go there. There we go. Now we don't have double fizz bones on these ones. Now we can see sliders for I sneezed. You know what? The collider for those has to be quite small. Where did I put them? Where are you? Where the hell is my camera? Okay. Whatever. Let's see what this looks like. The idea with this is, with all the gizmos, select the main thing. That's better, look. The floofs don't go into my head anymore. Perfect. It's just what I wanted. Oh no! I'm no longer my avatar's reached medium performance because of the fizzbone transformations. Up to 66. Which is strange because why would it do that? Am I double fizzbone counting somewhere? This is one's the hip. It wants to ignore the body, the legs, and one other thing. The hip itself, the spine, and the legs. Which is what it's got. Everything else is fizz bones. And this ignores the chest and the spine itself and the chest, but with this chest being the spine being the thing. Yeah, that's right. This one ignores the head, the top hat, and the two things. Okay. This is just the ears, isn't it? So, grabbable to true. But I need to set all these to grabbable as well. My wings? No, they don't want to be grabbable. That's just annoying. Those are grabbable. Cool. Hang on. Is this complaining? Nope, it's not complaining. Cool. All right. That collider works how I want it to. Now, make it with a contact receiver? I really should look it up, actually. 25 minutes? No. Poop test, not poop test. we're not testing poop. We got AIDS. All right. Anyway, let's test. Right, we have the boop contact. That's the easy part. Now we've got to use it. You got Chunky here. That's an advanced collider. It's just that it's an advanced collider. Hmm. Is this? I can download this thing and have a look actually. At least autofill half the stuff. A van, not a bus. I hate capture and people need to stop using it. It doesn't work anymore. My god. Gonna have a look at what this is. Anything. I didn't want to put it there actually. You cancel that import. Go into assets. I see. I got to start using the full controller to start merging things in. Makes sense. That's all I wanted to see. Effects, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I get it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. it. Doesn't need to be synced. He doesn't want. He wants to be. Makes sense. True or false? You don't need to be anything like that. None of that needs to happen. Doesn't need me be synchronized, automatically synchronized. Or does it need to be synced? I don't know. We'll sync it anyway. Whatever. Now, need create an expression menu. No, it's not an expression menu. Animation controller, isn't it? I can't see this freaking video because it's tiny. It was 20 minutes long. And it's also appalling quality. There we go. Better. I'm just going to watch this video all the way through rather than faff about. 20 minutes of video, yay! Just to learn how to make something work. Playback speed 1.25 because he talks too slow. Yeah, we don't care. Alright, so yeah, you want the animator. In the parameter in here called boop. And this wants to make sure, we want to make sure this is, we're just going to do this as a constant and go boop. Yeah, and then you can do this. Make a transition to an empty clip and then to whatever you want. I get it now. It's starting to make sense. Will it actually let me change the name of it? No, well. Doesn't matter then. Whatever. Right, I don't have an empty clip. Nation. The order you need to do things in. Why is this transition here? Actually, this doesn't even matter. Create a new clip. Do that, and then you just do that. It's missing. We don't care. The whole point. We did save this to. We did save it to anyway. Yeah, it would be in here, shouldn't it? No? Oh, no, it's right here. We go into here, we do this. Where's my video gone? Video. Oh, I'm looking at stuff. get it now. So this transition. Give it that. And the condition that boop is false. Where's my animations? Here's my animations. Object one, yeah, because that object doesn't exist. It's the whole point of it. Don't need a menu. I'm curious, like. I wonder, does it work? Or is it gonna break? Work. It's not. I might have forgotten something. This behaves like a finger. Like it's meant to. This is for merging the thingies down. The boop stuff. And the constant sets it to 1 and 0. That might be what's wrong then. I need to go into here. Delete this parameter. Add float instead. Doesn't even have to be a float, it could be an int, actually. I won't use a float. Yes, yeah. Int, boop, transition. If it's equals 0, go to that. If it equals 1, go to that. The idea. Have I managed to make the thing do the thing? No. We'll work on. I'll watch the rest of the video then. I can't cheat. I have to watch the rest of the video. Oh wait, hang on. No, wait, yeah. Oh, wait, did I actually do the, fires correctly? I think so. Oh, well. Oops, I opened a terminal. I don't... Everything's terminal. We're dying. Should already work. I don't care about particle effects. I just want it to work. And maybe I've got the sender receiver wrong. Oh, let's have a little gander. And this is where having this open on the side is useful. No, something's missing. All right, you know what? Do this. I'm gonna stick this straight onto the main thing. One error went away. And we've got the boop thing exists. Boop doesn't change. Oops. Hmm. I'm just fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's all fine. Mm-hmm. No. I'll look at the video again. Maybe I missed a bit. Or um. Here, I want boot transitions from any state to thingy, any state that happy. Alright, alright, I set it up exactly how the video says. It's not working! Yeah. Okay. So my issue right now is that when the colliding happens, it doesn't affect the parameter correctly. Yeah, this should technically be working just fine. This is set up correctly and to work. There's no reason this shouldn't work now. So I look at it now and then the boot should go 1. It not do the thing. Wow. Because just throw that in there then. Nope. There it is. The contact sender is not doing the thing. Yeah. Wait a sec. What am I doing? Animations don't even work on this avatar. Just remember, I don't think these animations actually work. Yeah. Make a animation of group face. Click this. This is what I don't get about Unity's animation system. If you create a new animation file, right? Why can't you add any properties at all? Stuff. Weird fucking thing. No, I do not want my avatar to be a part of that. Instead, I have to go through here, make a new clip. This way. What it? Boot face. And now I can add properties. I don't think that's the right one. What is it? No, it is the right one. And then it's the that one. Nope, geometry. In mesh, we want game object. Oh. Curves. Alright, there we go. that should be that. Now if I go into this, move that. The root face animation. Next transition. Defaults off. Transition when boop equals 1. No transition speed, and don't transition to self because it's pointless. Anyway, there we go. Yeah, something like that. There we go. And actually rename the thing to boop. Now the only other thing I can think of is I'm going to delete this. Add it as a float instead. In case. And then I'm just going to set this to how they set it. Great then. Yeah, that's how they do it in the freaking video. So if it works now, then it's probably because of format error. No, the contact is not working at all. It's great. This actually does not trigger the thing whatsoever. I've set it up right, haven't I? Yeah. Yeah, you put a contact sender inside the receiver and it doesn't do anything. I am... I wonder why my contact sender's not working. Could it be that it's miles away from where it needs to be? I thought I should probably... Oh, flipping it. No wonder it's not working. It's nowhere near the avatar. Why is it so far away? The hell's this nonsense? Oh, I was duped. See, I have no depth perception. Of course I couldn't see. Oh, no wonder it's not working. I've been fiddling around all this time. Now I've got to fix that real quick. Be pretty simple. That's it. It don't want to loop. Let me just do this and then go back. Oh. Loop face, no loop. Yeah. Effects boop. Will this work this time? Oh, let me just fix this real quick. 0, 0, 0. Now we can test it properly. Aw. Interesting. Oh, because that exists. No. That is a downside to using VRC Fury, is that do this. You want to get to it. You want to see what's happening in your thing. You got to get to this temp controller. Go up to the boot layer. Now I've changed it. All right, you know what? I'm going to undo all the garbage I did real quick. Go back to the original setup. Hello? Let me delete the... Unity, you piece of crap. Oh, that's a layer, not a parameter. Never mind. Brain, you piece of crap. Work, please. Alright. Go back to transitions. Equals 1. Equals 0. Flat. Yep. There's no transitions. Well, there is a transition, but there's no, it's like instantaneous. Alright. We really don't care about this, actually. Don't really need that. Yeah, we don't care about the game object being missing. See what it does now. I just slowly switch back to where it was. Don't tell me what's up with this. In play mode though. Oh, I see. Here. There we go. I found it. I knew it was playing. It's like a full 1 second long clip. It doesn't. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's what it wants to be like. Now, in theory, this should just go like. And as far as I know, oh, if I actually, if I do this. Right. Right, we can refine. It works! The boot works! I am not completely brain dead. We don't want that. No, we want boot effects. Transition on this.
Ooh, shiny.
Let's see if this is what I think it will do. Cool. Well, there you go. Everyone's going to be happy that I like can boot. Now, I need to go into... where is it? Where's my boop animation? Boop face. Boop face. Add property from this one. Skinned meshes. Ah. Ah! Yep. Done. Go. Fixed. Sorted. Cool. We have boot power. I can be booped. There's a funny thing I could do here. But I don't know if I can be asked. Maybe I'll make a note of it. I don't know. I was thinking of making it so that when my audio is muted, it only does the shocked eyes and the ears. And then when it's not muted, it will add the mouth as well. But whatever, it's fine. I'm not sure why I've gained transforms when it comes to fizz bones. We got ads again. Been on for 2 hours already. Wow. Oh, that reminds me. There wants to be a limit on the angle so they don't go completely crazy. Cool. That works. That's done. Okay. Now, one more thing I need to test to make sure that this behaves nicely. Meow. Oh. Oh. Huh. Interesting. Really? Really now? I like how this behaves. If I'm doing another thingy, because I'm using blend shapes around this for my gestures. What happens if I do this though? What's this gonna do? Oh, it doesn't do anything. Cool, it just opens my mouth. Uh-huh. Okay, that is absolutely perfect. Cool. Right, we're sticking with that. Oh no, my avatars become medium quality in performance. Whatever shall I do? Dang it, the only time performance is really bad if it's very poor. Which is why I block very poor avatars. There's no reason why your avatar should be very poor. It just means you've got too much crap on it. And you should really split your avatars up into different things. Different themes, different collections of things. Okay, we can publish this. Publish this to Windows. Okay. This will work fine as is. It has a Poyomi shader, and it's now got normals as well. So now I have a better emissions on my avatar. Hopefully it will self-cast shadows correctly. I don't think it will. I just don't think it ever does. It doesn't matter if it doesn't. It's fine. We'll live with it. Right, now here's the big thing. Will you switch to Android mode? Yes, switch to Android. Are you going to throw errors? I don't feel like no, the gesture manager bridge for gesture emulator when in Android mode doesn't work. That's fine. I don't care. Right? No, it is a problem. Yeah. It completely bricks the compilation. Yeah, that doesn't work at all. Right. So I have to remove the emulator. Or when trying to switch to Android mode. Or the gesture manager, honestly. I don't need them enabled. I don't need to be able to like throw up the freaking thingy once, honestly. I do need to add the boot to the avatar, but I can't be asked right now. I can't be asked to deal with the quest thing. It's fine. It's done. I could jump on VR chat or something. I've been live for 2 hours. I've done some stuff. I've got the. You know what? That's the thing. I have succeeded in what I wanted to do. I wanted to get boot working, and it's actually exceeded my expectations in what it does or how it's functioning right now. So I'm happy. So I'm going to call it a day and quit while I'm ahead rather than suffer. Oh, we also got the shaders updated with normals and Poyomi, which is going to be nice to have as well. Because that means my emissions will work better, so I'll be like more visible. I kind of cheated with the other shader because you can only have one emissions map and there's no real other control over the fact that it's just there. I made the black more grey so that it had an emissions all over my body, so all of my thingy. The only problem with that was that the it degraded texture quality. It did, so I didn't like it, but it was a good workaround for the time. But no, I'll just use Poyomi. Then I can have a multiple different things, and they also support like base color mimicking and stuff like that. It just looks better. Yeah. Right. Let's see if there's a place to raid. Who am I following? I'm following many. What time is it? 11:30. Oh, someone's recently started playing Satisfactory. How satisfactory. Let's raid Calic Husky because he's playing Satisfactory. I need to play that game more. I really do. But my brain's just not in the place for that kind of game right now. Because I know what I need to do on that game. I need to just expand and expand and expand. And then my brain's just like, I can't be arsed. I'm too lazy. So yeah. He's hitting rocks. I'm gonna head out. I'll be back tomorrow probably, maybe to do a bit more Unity stuff. I might switch to like doing the next avatar that I need to do. And then I'll just keep doing that until I've got all my avatars basically set up for VR chat. And then I have lots of different forms, lots of them. And then I can be like anything I want. That's the plan. Then I'll go even more crazy and just start like replacing all the eyes with these eyes that I have on this avatar so they can move and all that. And so on. And then just make even more work for myself. Then once I have, then I'll have just, yeah, it'll be nice to have like 8 or 9 different avatars that are just all the same theme and same look, the same textures in a sense, polka dots and red and all that. It's rather unique. Anyway, I'm gonna head out. Have a good night. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.